We now have got a few snacks in us, so we just ate protein bar and then an oatmeal bite, some cookies and stuff. So we're feeling good, and now we are headed up the trail about an hour and a half further to, there's a couple of suspension bridges, one at I think 45 minutes and then one at an hour and a half. And so you can get a little bit closer to the glacier, and it should be pretty cool. So we're really excited. So this is kind of hopefully just a 3-hour little detour in the afternoon. So and then come back, eat dinner, go to sleep. What do you think?
Awesome. These are giant icebergs that broke off of Glacier Gray, and they floated to here. It's pretty.
How long did it take us, you think? 30 minutes from here?
Alright, so about 40 minutes in, we made it to the first suspension bridge. Wasn't too bad. The last part was an incline, but it was short-ish. So, yeah.
All right, after about an hour, we made it to the second suspension bridge. So we walked really, really fast, super fast up here. So it's supposed to have taken us 1 hour, 30 minutes, and it took us an hour. So the view, just look, the view is amazing.
This is amazing. We are at the second suspension bridge, which is super close to Glacier Gray. I feel like this would suspend the glacier if it was over there. It's so cool.
That's cool too.
Ariel, what do you think of this bridge?
My stomach hurts. It's
Why?
making me so nervous.
You're just going right there though.
Okay, I can do it.
Okay.
Okay, the second suspension bridge, totally worth it. It takes, if you're going fast, obviously it takes about an hour. And it's about to sprinkle on us, so time to head back to the Refugio. Alright, if you're up here at Refugio Gray, it is definitely recommended to come up a little bit, about an hour, hour and a half up the trail, because it is incredible. I mean, this is the backdrop that you get. The scenery here is incredible, so definitely do it.